I just got out of work and I am deciding that I'm gonna vlog because I'm gonna run to Walmart and grab a few groceries for a few of the meals that I am planning on making. I picked 4 and I'll show you guys the app. I've been using this app for the past, I want to say 2 years. Yes. Hello guys, editing me here. I just wanted to come back because I noticed I didn't mention this throughout the video. One, I am not sponsored by Mealime, but if they want to sponsor me, shoot me an email. I would love to work with you guys. I generally just love this app. Like I mentioned, I've been using this app for roughly 2 years. The app helps so much. One, you can pick which meals you want to do, and it actually helps you grocery shop. You can it makes a grocery list for you, and you can click the things that you already have at home, and you can send it to Walmart, and they have some other places that you can send it to, which makes it really helpful. And I love it so much because it kind of takes the stress out of what do I have to buy, what do I already have, and all these other things. I love it so freaking much. In the video, I obviously only showed you one recipe that I made, but I have made lots of recipes from them, and I have loved every single one of them. And I am so excited to just keep trying more recipes, especially now that I'm going into this health journey and actually taking it seriously and making sure I'm giving my body the correct nutrients. But I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video, and let's get back to good old me in hot pink. Bye. I'm going to drive to Walmart, grab a few things that I want. I will show you guys later the things that I'm planning to cook or meal prep. But the one that I'm making tonight is my ultimate favorite. It's so good, it's amazing, and to be honest, I don't even know how many calories it has in total, but I know it's really low in carbs. It has a lot of veggies. I know it's super high in protein, and that's exactly what I need. I just need to meal prep because I've been slacking big time lately. But let me arrive to Walmart and then we'll keep talking. Okay guys, I am back at home. I did not feel comfortable filming at Walmart. That's why I don't have lots of footage because it got a little awkward and I didn't have the attachment that attaches to metal, so I couldn't attach my camera, and I was scared to just leave it somewhere. I was like, you know what, I'll just show them a grocery haul when I get home, because no. So these are the things that I grabbed for the next 4 meals that I'm planning on making. I use this app called Mealime, and this is what it looks like. So I go in here and it shows me you can meal prep, but this is what I'm gonna be making today, and it shows you what cookware you need. It shows you ingredients, and it also shows you the instructions of how to make it. So this is one of them, and then I want to make this. I didn't get the blue cheese that this calls for, or the regular bacon. And then the other thing that I want to make is the black bean and veggie fajitas or quesadillas. And last but not least, some chicken thighs, but I'm probably gonna do this with chicken breast and carrots and potatoes. So now that you know the meals I'm planning, here's the grocery haul. So I got some medium cheddar cheese, some whole wheat carb balance. These are English muffins, but these are the light multi-grain, and these only have 100 calories, and these only have 60 calories. I got a little 2-pounder of rice because we don't have any rice. I got the cabbage for the egg roll. I got some seasonings that we ran out of: paprika, garlic powder, onion powder. I got some rice vinegar, some soy sauce, low in sodium, the good old apple cider vinegar, One of the recipe calls for the Dijon mustard. I don't think we have that here, so that's why I grabbed it. I got 2 cans of black beans and then some sesame toasted oil. This makes the food taste so good. At least the egg roll. Some avocados. They're not fully ripe, but hopefully they will be soon. Some carrots, sliced cheese for the English muffins, some garlic, a yellow onion, red onion, pepper. We ran out of salt, and then some red wine vinegar. I got some mini cucumbers, some cherry tomatoes, some cilantro, and good old eggs. The only things that I didn't grab was ground turkey, chicken, and I think that's it because I know we had some here. Sorry, the dishwasher is on. So yeah. And ground turkey is not fully thawed out, but I'm gonna bring it out. And then I have some chicken breast. I also have salad here so I can make, and then I almost forgot, some turkey bacon. I don't really like regular bacon, and I know we always have regular bacon here, so because my boyfriend likes the regular bacon. And I think that's pretty much it for the little grocery haul. Once I have like the meals and how they look, I will definitely be showing you guys. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start doing my first attempt at making a cooking video for TikTok also. So I have my phone like right here. So let's see how this goes. I noticed that I will have to move this here for it to be showing there, or get my head cut off and to be able to show. But I'm gonna give it a try. Let's see how it goes. Hopefully it goes good. And I'm not all cut off, but I don't want to be like, oh, I know I will work perfect. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. And I think I might have the solution. Okay, a little better. I just have to. Whew, okay. I'm watching some random show. So let's get cooking.